Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this lead code problem where the question is you are given a list of orders where each order is represented as a list. This is the list containing the following amount, following keys. So so list has a map. Inside a list there is a map containing a ID, customer, and total amount. So each item field is a list of maps. So I already told you. So first of all, let's take an example. So let's have a list which is denoted by these big braces, and then inside that, inside these curly braces, this is the map. So initially, we need to initialize this list, uh, naming a list as a order. So let's create a order. So this is a list which has a map inside it, and inside a map there is a string and a dynamic. That means a list of orders where these orders contains a map, and then that map contains, this is the key, and then a values. This is the value. This is the value. So now let's create a map, and then inside that map there isn't anything. So basically that means we are going to calculate a total amount of each customer name is a Alice or a Bob. So initially we need to make a for loop for this. So for loop where we will check each value of a list, like order ID number one where the customer name is Alice, and then Alice, and then total amount is this. So initially from this map we will extract a name of a customer and a amount of that customer. So this is how we're gonna take the particular name and amount from this map. So we are on order number one, we will take this out. For order number two, we will take this out. For the order number three, we will take this out. After that, we're gonna test it whether that particular order or a customer is present on our total amount map or not. So for that, we will check that total amount that contains a name. This customer name is came from here. That is particularly sometime it will be, for the first time it will be Alice, second time for it will be Bob, and then for the third time it will be Alice. So we will add a amount on that customer. So if there is no any uh, data inside this total amount, then we will basically add that entity as a single entity like this, and then at the end we will print, and then our problem will be solved. So let's run and see the result. Okay, so Alice, which has the total amount of 25.5, and then a Bob, which has a total amount of 5. So we can see that Alice is a two-time repeated customer, and then Bob is only one time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for next lead code on Dart programming language. Thank you so much.